If you want to take partial screenshot on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the settings in order to activate the gesture that allows us to capture a partial screenshot. Over here, scroll all the way down and open special features. After that, choose gestures and finally go to screenshot gesture, where we can find 3-finger swipe. Make sure that this option is enabled. After that, you should be able to just press and hold with 3 fingers on the screen. And once you start creating the screenshot, you will see the small portion of the screen will be highlighted. Let me actually try again. Then we can just drag 3 fingers down in order to select the area that you want to capture. Besides that, of course, you still have a backup. The full screen is still captured. You can just grab by these corners or sides in order to extend the screenshot if needed, or crop as well. It is possible to do so as well. And then once you are done, just press save over here on the left side at the top. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!